to get approved in Tabby. 1. Download and install the Tabby app from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Sign up using your valid mobile number and email address. 3. Make sure you have a government issued ID, like an Emirates ID, in the UAE, ready for verification. 4. Provide accurate personal and payment details. Tabby uses this to check your eligibility. 5. Maintain a good spending history. If you've used Tabby before, paying on time increases your approval chances. 6. Use a valid debit or credit card linked to your name. Avoid prepaid cards. 7. Keep your income information and contact details up to date in the app. 8. Once your profile and information are verified, Tabby will approve your spending limit instantly or within minutes.